It takes so long to start the recording. Okay, yes. Okay, the recording is started. Okay, today we are last part of the chapter 4, which is a solving problem. Okay, so we flashback. Just now I already asked you to give the feedback at the Mentimeter. Okay, what is the total sum of exterior angles of a polygon? Anybody remember or not? Total sum of exterior
360 degrees.
Yes, 360 degree. Okay, good. Okay. So remember, for those that absent for the previous lesson, the total sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equivalent to 360. Or all types of polygon. Okay. Even pentagon, octagon, okay, decagon, all the polygon. Okay, same. All exterior, the sum of exterior angle is the same, 360. Okay. So the total sum of the exterior angle of polygons 360 means that if this is a pentagon, means that A plus B plus C plus D plus your E, the last one, is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, this is only flashback of our previous lesson. So still remember or not, what is the formula that you learned in the previous lesson? You learned a few formula, right?
Yes, teacher.
Anyone? Okay, Tiba, can you give me a formula that you learned?
N minus 2 times 180.
Yes, n minus 2 times 180. That is formula to find what?
Interior angle.
Okay, not only interior angle. Not only one interior angle. It's the total sum of the interior angle, right?
Yes.
N minus 2 in bracket, n minus 2, one of the formula, n minus 2 in bracket times 180 degrees. This is to find the total sum of the interior angle. Okay, if we want to find only one of the interior angles, so what's the formula? Or how, that's the formula almost the same, but you have to add something inside this formula. Sorry?
Teacher, n bracket n minus 2 times 180 over n.
Yes, over n. Okay, when you want to find only one interior angle, okay, then you have to over n. And remember, this is only for the regular polygon. If regular, you cannot use this. Okay, if irregular, you cannot different angles, right? Because it's regular. Okay, if regular, all the interior angles inside the polygon is the same. Okay, if irregular means different. So we cannot divide it by n. Okay, so you have to, when you're going to use the formula. Okay, inside this formula, what else that you learn? Which formula that you learn? Other people are not divide. Those people, please respond. How about Ifra? Can you give me another formula that we learned in previous lesson? In your class, you were in the class, right? Beside the n minus 2 times 180 over n. How to find the exterior angle? One of the exterior angle, how to find? What's the formula? Ifra? You should bring your textbook on by your side. When we have a class, you can always refer to your textbook when I ask questions. Look for your flip your book, look for the answer. Okay, don't just wait for my answer. All the answers from the textbook. Ifra, you there or not? Give other people, give chance to other people. Okay, I know that you know it. Okay, Beatrice, there or not? How to determine the exterior angle? Which formula that you are going to use? Okay, I saw Steffi respond at the chat. How about the rest? Is the answer that Steffi respond correct? You can refer to the chat. Steffi will respond that the formula is 360 over n. Is that correct? Diva respond correct. How about the others? Inshira, yes. Okay. This one, dying, ada tak dying? Dying, correct formula. Is the formula correct? Dying? Don't know. Okay. Yeah, when we determine the exterior angle of a regular one, we are here over n. on the sharing screen already. Stop.
I can't see the screen anymore.
Yes.
Oh, there it is.
Yes. Also, okay. So this we learned in previous lesson. Okay. I just show you textbook. Which is this? We want to find the interior angle of a regular polygon. Only one interior angle, so we have to use this one. If only on top, the formula 2 times 180. This is to find the total sum of the interior angle. So to find the polygon, 6 over, okay, interior when the condition is like this, when you have a polygon, okay, like this one, and you have polygon, say, okay, extend the line, okay, so when this one, when you come with this type, you have to use 180 because this is exterior angle, right? This is B, and this inside is A. A plus B is equal to 180. Okay, this is what you learned in Form 1. Okay, so B is the exterior angle, okay, and A is the interior angle. If you are given exterior angle, how to find the interior? 180 minus this one, minus this one. Okay, so this is the formula lah. This one you should know lah. Okay, so this is what we learned in the previous lesson. So today we go to the last is solving problem. This is our learning standard. So simple step that I always tell y'all. When you want to solve any questions or any problems, you must know what the information give from the questions. Then follow by, after you get the information, what's the question asked? So ask you to find what? Then only you can count, okay? Else you cannot continue for the questions, okay? So for this question, how to solve it? So on the right, this is a hexagon. Okay, enlarge from the design of a football. So calculate the angle of Y. So they want to determine this angle. How to get this one? So this one consider the Y is considered interior angle.
Interior angle.
Interior angle, right? Okay, so now we want to find already. Okay, you see the keyword. The keyword is mentioned about what? Regular hexagon. Regular means all the interior angle same or not? Is it same? All the interior angle? Equivalent or not? Okay, hi. Janani, are you there? Janani. Please pay attention now. We're doing online class. Make sure everybody sit there, listen, and take down the note. Important one. Now, okay, still okay not? Can see my Okay, so is it same or not? Just now we mentioned it, the T1 respond when regular hexagon, all the angle, all the interior angle is same. Okay, so how to find one of the interior angle? So information that give here is what? They mentioned about this is a regular hexagon, information that you have. Okay, now find the calculate the angle of Y. So ask angle Y. Want to find angle Y. So now you have, so how to count? What's the formula to find the interior angles? Someone the line up, in and out. Kesha? See there, Kesha?
Yes.
What's the formula to find interior angle? Can you repeat the sound?
To find interior angle?
Yes, one of the interior angles. The sound previous, the sound that we just flashback the formula that we learned last week. This lesson, right? So what's the formula?
N minus 2 times n minus 2 times 180 divided by n.
N. Yes, divided by n. So you have to use this formula to Y. So n, what's the n? How many n? N is the number of sides. How many sides this polygon?
6.
6. So use the equal to 6 minus 2 times 180, then divided by 6. Your calculator.
120,
so
teacher.
120, sure. The rest? Same, everybody, so answer for this is 120. So you already answer the part A questions. Okay, you're done the part A. For the part B, they ask about what? Then find the difference between y and x plus z. So y, you got the angle of y there. So you need to find x and z in order for you to answer the questions for the part B. So what is the angle of z? Yeah, how to get the z? This is a triangle. This triangle is what type of triangle that this triangle have? What triangle is this? Scalene triangle, equilateral, or another one is what? One type of triangle. Which type of triangle is this one here? Isosceles. One type is an isosceles. So which one? This one? When regular polygons means then the side, the line of the side same or not? Regular polygon. The line of the side is the same?
Yes.
Yes. So means that this triangle consider equilateral, isosceles, or scalene? Which one? Or same right? Same right, the side. Right not? Or same? Answer. Now actually we have this already. When we know that the hexagon, there's only 120. 120 here for y. Actually, all the angle here is 120, you know that? This one. All here. All the interior angle is 120. Right now, agree? You agree?
Yes.
All the red color, yes, 120. But now the question is asked to find the x. Now we want to find the x. So how to get the x?
180
Now you know the 20.
180 minus 120 over 2.
Why over 2? Because this is x and this is also x. Okay? Actually, this is not equilateral. This is isosceles triangle, right? Right now. Equilateral, all sides same. Because this is same side. Same. This is not same. Okay? Here is not same with these two, because this is the side outside. Inside this one, no. Okay, longer. Okay? So this is 120. So this and this is the same. Left and right. Okay, sama kaki. To get the x, okay, to find your x, you have to use 180, not 180. 360, right? Minus 120. Sorry. A triangle, total angle of triangle is what?
180.
Yes, 180, correct. Minus 120 divided by 2. Why we need to divide by 2? Because this one same. Okay, you can see right, pointer, okay, I didn't draw a pointer, see the right red pointer here, same. So what's the answer for this, for the x?
30.
30, right? So you get a 30, but this one not complete yet because we only get the x, but we haven't get the z. So you want to determine the z some more. So how to get the z?
Z is answer is 30 also, teacher.
How to get the 30?
Alternate angle.
Alternate angle, because you refer to the textbook, right? Because the alternate is like this one, alternate. Okay, alternate angle. Okay, so this is 90, right? So this is z also is same like this one, same angle, alternate. Okay, so here 30. So how you get the 30 here? Alternate angle. The book is mentioned about alternate angle. Okay, if you don't know about alternate angle, you still can count actually. Boleh kira juga kalau you tak ingat apa itu alternate angle. So how to count? As just now lah. Okay, you remember that this is also the ini juga segitiga. This is also isosceles also. This is same also here, right not? So here also 30 lah. This one 120. So 30 here. Here also 30, right not? 30 here. Here is 90. 90 here. So 90. This one just now is what? 120 also. This is also 90. You can do it one by one. At last, you still manage to get. Okay. So this one is inside. This one is what? This is also whole thing. This whole thing is what? Whole thing is 120, right? So 30 already. So inside here is this is 30. Wait, so sudah sangat susah nak baca kan? The whole thing is 120 here. Since here is 30, so the rest here what? What is here the angle? You have 120 minus 30. Here is 90. Right not? So then you can 90 here. So you get 30 here. This is 60 here. 60. This is 30. because it's a triangle. Okay, the straight triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, so you get your stack also 30. Count one by one lah. Kira satu-satu. Okay, if you cannot remember which is the alternate angle, okay, if you can remember, okay lah, then you can get the answer very fast. Okay, okay, answer already. So very hard to read later, y'all. So now you get the X, you get a Z, you have a Y. So you managed to answer the part B or not? How to continue? Find the difference means plus or minus. Plus? Minus. Find the difference. So you have to minus. So X plus Z, X is 30, Z is 30. So X plus Z is, this one you get 60. You got 60 right here. So to find the difference, so you answer the B, means that Y minus Z. So what's a Y? 120 minus 60. So last answer is equal to 60. Yes. So you have to answer the part A and B. Okay. Is it hard or simple? Maybe you feel that very complicated because the diagram is make you confused, right? When you get used to it, when you do one by one slowly, then no problem. Okay. Important thing is you have to understand the questions. What the question, what the information give from the question, what's the information that asked to find, then only you count, okay, and solve the problems. So this one, because I thought not enough space, so I left 2 pages. Okay, this is another question from the textbook also, because quite many questions that this is a question number 7, okay, in the self-practice 4.2. Okay, I discussed with all the questions, then later on you still need to do it into the exercise book, okay, so that better you take down answer while we discuss. Don't just say like that. Okay, later after this, then we forgot already. So for this question, okay, so anybody want to try? I give you all 5 minutes to think how to solve these questions. So give what? What's the information give from the questions? Then what's the answer question asked? Then only you count. What is the actual shape of this garden? Anybody know? This is actually no need to count for these questions. You can just observe the shape. Anybody know what is the shape of this garden?
Octagon.
Okay.
Octagon. Okay, the rest?
Decagon.
Decagon. Okay, why decagon?
10 sides.
10 sides. Okay, so how to get 10 sides? How to get the 10 sides?
Since this shows the axis of symmetry, it has 5 sides. So the other half of it would be another 5 sides.
Yes,
get 10.
you're correct. Okay, thank you, Kesha. Okay, so here you have to observe lah. Okay, like what Kesha mentioned, because of this half of it, this is the axis of symmetry. When talk about axis of symmetry, means that both sides will be same, right? When you fold the thing, left and right side should be exactly the same shape. Okay, since half there's 5 sides, so another half should be another 5 sides, right? Not. So 5 plus 5, that is 10 sides. Okay, 10 sides. The polygon name is decagon. Okay, it's not octagon, just now as mentioned. So never mind. So that's wrong. Never mind. So now really, so this one no calculations, just for your your knowledge apply. Okay, so you can direct to give your answer. This is called decagon. Okay, so how to calculate the y, the value of y?
10 minus 2 times 180 over 10.
Okay, so 10 minus 2 times 180, okay, divided by 10. So because this is the formula to find the total sum of the interior angle on top, okay, divided by n, because you want to find one of the interior angle only. That's why you have to divide it by 10, okay? So divided by 10. So you just press our calculator. So what's the answer?
144.
144. How about the rest? You managed to get the same answer or not? I'm not talking to Tiva only. The rest also, please respond. Yes, 144. Beatrice, are you still there or not? Beatrice, please respond. Have to pay attention of a few fresh students that always like dreaming. In the class to dream, online class lagi dream lah. Beatrice, still there or not, Beatrice?
Yes.
Andika? Andika?
Yes.
Yes, so can I understand or not how to get 144?
Yes.
Yes, Daing? Daing? Ada tak Daing?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Lara, okay, Lara sudah masuk tadi masa cikgu panggil tu tak ada. Lara, you enter late just now. Where are you go just now? Where you go? Lara, please respond. Still there not? Lara?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you enter the class late. Now you know what we are doing now, not?
Yes.
Yes, can follow, Okay. So answer for Y is 144. So this is well, even though you see the questions like so long, right? So you see 2 lines, 3 lines, you already complete or already answer the questions. Okay. So when you see the solving problem questions, don't be afraid. Normally, sometimes students when see this kind of question, they'll be like, tak faham, tak tahu macam mana buat. Straight away give up. Okay. So read slowly, cannot understand, then read few times. Okay. So because nowadays all the questions like this already, so you have to get used to it. Okay. So in the next one, this is another question textbook also. Just now that one is question number 7. This is number 8. Okay, number 8. So how to complete this question or answer these questions? Any idea? This is to find interior angle or exterior angle.
Exterior angle.
Exterior. Give what? Okay, what information that you give in from the what information give from the questions? Two polygon, right? 2 regular polygon. One is octagon, one is pentagon. So they give the octagon and they give pentagon. Right or not? Then they ask for what? They ask for what? Ask to find what? Sorry, Lara?
Value of
Angle X.
Ask to find what? Ask to find the angle of X. So they want to find angle of X. So how to determine the angle of X? Just now I mentioned this is exterior angle. So to solve the question, you have to find
octagons. We have to find the octagons of one side, the pentagon of the one side.
Then
okay, one side of the pentagon. One side actually is the exterior angle of the pentagon and the exterior angle of the octagon. Okay, so because this is like this one. Okay, then I divided into 2. Okay, because this is the exterior angle of a pentagon and this side is the exterior angle of a octagon. Okay, so for how to determine the exterior angle of an octagon? What's the formula?
8 minus 2 times 180 over 8.
Are you sure? Is that the formula? This formula. This formula is it. This is to find inside, right? Now we want to find outside.
It's
find outside. Yes.
360 minus
360?
divide 8.
360 what? Divide 8. Yes. So for this part, okay, if these are questions you want to show the working, right? Okay, either in this way, you can label it into 2. You address this one A and this is B. Or you can do it to directly, which is to find the exterior angle, right? So 360 divided by 8. Then plus what? Another one is pentagon, right?
360 over 5.
Yes, another one 360 over 5. Then only you press your calculator. To show working.
117.
So this so how is it?
117.
117. Okay, so for the first one, 360 divided by 8, what do you get?
45.
45 plus the another one?
72.
72. So total up is 117. Okay, so this is how you manage to get the value of the angle x, value of the angle x. Okay, the rest can understand or not? Okay, now so far only I saw Tiva and Lara respond. Haika, boleh Haika? Janani, good. Okay, how about Nasrin? Because you absent for a few days, right? Okay, can follow or not?
Yeah, I can.
Can, okay. Farah, boleh Farah? Okay, good. Okay. So here is another questions. Okay. So this is a regular pentagon and a square. So this one's pentagon, right? You can see very clear. Okay, this is a square. So what is the exterior angle of this? Okay, how to find? Any idea? Any idea how to find this answer for this? Okay, if you want to find the exterior angle, okay, so this is the exterior angle, right? Okay, actually another way, because this is this one. Another way also, okay, if you don't want to use exterior angle, you can use this way. 1 whole turn is equivalent to how many degrees?
360 degrees.
Yes, okay. Either you can use 360, divide this one, the purple color, and you manage to get x. But how to find the purple color one? This is a square, right? Square inside here, how many degrees?
90 degrees.
All 90. Okay, so this one is a pentagon. So one of the interior angle of a pentagon is how many degrees?
72.
72? Are you sure? Interior, not exterior. Interior.
108. 108. Yeah.
108. Okay. How to get 108? Maybe some of your friends cannot get 108. Okay. So this one we get 108. How to get 108? Okay, we get interior angles of pentagon is equal to what? 5 minus 2 times 180 divided by 5, right? So you get 108. So 108 here, this is 108. And this is 90. Right not? Straight. This is a square. Okay, so 90 degrees. So how to get the x? So x will be equal to? X will be equal to? Patricia? Patricia, ada tak Patricia?
Can I answer?
I see Patricia there. Not first. I want to check. There's either they pay attention or really missing. Patricia ada tak? Patricia, respond. Mana dapatkan x? How to get the x? You want to find the x. Now you got here. Ini sudah dapat 108. How to get the x? How to manage to determine the value of x? Patricia? Just now got follow or not? How about Nuha? Nuha? Nuha. Yes. Okay. So how to find the x? Halfway already. Our question is halfway already. So how to complete it? You want to determine the value or angle of x. Nuha and Patricia can answer my questions or not? 1 whole turn is equivalent to how many degrees? This is how I mentioned. Satu putaran lengkap sama dengan berapa darjah? Nuha, satu putaran lengkap. Type ke orang ajar? Okay. Pada 60. Ada question mark lagi. Okay. 5. So 1 whole turn 60. Satan tu 360. So now you have here 108, 108 and 90. So how to get the x? Macam mana dapat x tu? Kita ambil 360 tolak apa? Hana?
54
Hana
degrees.
ada? 54 degree. X 54. Okay, berarti Syah 108. Rahana 108. 108 only is this one. The interior angle. This exterior angle is not 108 bukan 108 Sebab satu putaran lengkap dah 360. So kita nak dapatkan X, so 360 tolak ini, tolak ini, tolak ini. Press your calculator. 360 minus 90 minus 180 minus 180. Or you can use 180 times 3 lah. Times 3 pula, times 2. Okay. So it's equal to 54. Okay, Syah dah jawab. Okay. Tadi pun Tiba pun, siapa? Pavitra ke Tiba pun ada jawab tadi. Okay. So remember how to complete the answer. So you have to do step by step. Okay. Kalau tak nak guna ini, kalau nak guna exterior angle, boleh buat ke tak? Then you have to relate lah how to find the that's why it's important for you to relate in between the interior angle and the exterior angle, the inside and the outside. Okay, nak Raihana? Ni Raihana pun senyap je. Okay Raihana. Okay, Sabin. Sabin boleh Sabin? Yes, okay, not just keep on. Yes. Make sure you can, later you have to do it also. Okay. I think this is the last question I want to discuss with you all. Yes, okay, this is the last questions. Okay, so how about this? Any idea how to get this one? See, these questions no any other information. The information all from the diagram. Okay, so diagram shown when this one, like this one, sign like this is meaning what? Meaning what? Put a sign like this. Sorry?
The line showing the
all same, right? All same. Okay, the line all same. Okay, so this is what shape? What polygon is it? What's the name of this polygon?
hexagon.
Hexagon. This is
Pentagon.
Pentagon. Okay, so hexagon. This is pentagon. This one you already know, right? And the previous one, the interior angle is 108, right? But during the exam, you have to show how to find the interior angle. Okay, because that's marks there. Even though sometimes when you do keep on doing, you already memorize interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108. Regular polygon for interior angle for a regular hexagon is 120. But you have to show how you get 108 and 120. So you have to show the interior angle. Why we don't find the interior angle? Because we want to find this x, right? So we have to find all here lah. Like just now lah. Then minus lah. Why not? So interior angle of a pentagon. Formula.
Teacher, can I answer?
I don't know. No, you insert the line first.
This is Tiva, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, come.
Then 5 minus 2 times 180 times over 5.
Okay, so it's n is 5, right? Minus 2 times 180 divided by 5. So it's equal to 108, right?
Yes,
then
yes.
you
So interior angle of a hexagon.
Can I answer?
Yes. Okay, come. Kesha, right?
Yes. 6 minus 2 times 180 divided by 6.
Divided by 6. Okay, good. So answer?
120.
120 degrees.
Okay, 120. How about the rest? Managed to get the same answer like Tiva and Kesha, not? Yes, okay, same, How about the boys? The boys are quiet. These are dying. Andika, Haika?
Yes.
Okay, everybody also got the same answer, So now we already got inside the interior angle. So now we're going to find the x. So how to get the x? Okay, come. Now boys. Okay, so who want to be the volunteer from the boy side? Adam ke? Adam nak cuba? Can on your mic, Adam? Adam, you want to try or not? How to find the x? Okay, you can open your mic, on your mic, then you try to type out your answer. How about Andika? I saw you this one got respond, right? Okay. Andika? Andika? Mana Andika tadi?
Yes.
On your mic. Okay, come. Give me your answer for the x. Okay, we have this already. Okay, I will show you. Attention, 1 whole turn is how many degrees? Satu putaran lengkap, 1 whole turn. One whole turn, how many degrees? Okay, Adam 360. Andika, berapa?
Oh, 360.
Yes, 360. So now we want to find this x, right? So one whole turn is 360. So now inside this anterior angle, okay, because we already find the hexagon and the interior angle for the hexagon and the pentagon, right? So what's degree inside this one? 108. So I will label, you can label it. So this is also 120. This is 120. So how to determine the x? Andika? Total is what? 360? Then, Andika? No.
Teacher, can I try?
Then understand? Same like the previous question. Oh, previous question also do what?
Teacher, can I
Minus
try?
what, Andika? Look at the diagram. Okay. Adam already give answer already. Or Diva. Andika, look at the chat. Look at the chat. Is not what your friends type there. Can understand why they put 360 minus 108, then minus 120, and minus 120, because whole turn doesn't mention that one whole turn is 360. Okay, you have this angle, and this angle. Now you can manage to get the x lah, which is the remaining one, empty one. Okay, so your calculator. So I can see Tiva will respond the answer 2 degrees. Don't forget the number of the angle. Okay, 12. Andika sudah faham ke belum? Andika already can understand how to derive or how to solve these questions?
Yes.
Andika, yes or no?
Yes.
Andika?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, can understand, you can hear me or not?
Yeah.
So everyone managed to get the same answer like what I shown in the slide? Everybody?
Yes.
All these questions actually is from the title. Okay, I just picked some of the questions to discuss. The question I will ask you all to do the remaining one which is not discussed in the class. Okay, as your homework. Okay, but not meaning that we discuss here you don't need to do. You still need to do. Okay, to rewind back. Already studied in the class lah. Because now teacher do. Okay, those that are doing together, because you already know. Okay, those that not doing together, just sit there, listen. Later you have to do lah. So I think this that's all for today. Okay, because only one lesson that I want to complete beyond the last part, which is the solving problem. So AFL now, access for your learning. Okay, you can type at the chat or see your thumbs. Okay. If sideways, you don't have the icons, you just put sideways. Okay. It's thumb up, thumbs up, that's it, right? So you can, okay, because I want to take down with sideways, right, Hannah? Okay, don't be shy, if you really not understand, you have to let me know, lah. Okay, so later I can try to follow up. Sideways, who else sideways? Okay. Eva. Okay, who else? Okay, Aika. Trace-san. Okay, Dying. Okay, Noha. Okay, Beatrice, Pelly. The important thing is you need to use the formula, okay? The interior angle, exterior angle, you have to relate the both formula. See when you are going to use that one, okay? The formula. Okay, Janani, especially for a few of you that missed out the few classes for this week or last week, or they didn't attend the class, so you have to use textbook, rewind back, okay? Because before that, because you study in the class, right? Lesson on the previous lesson, I have the slide. Maybe I later will share the slide with you all, okay? Andika, so. Who else wants to respond? Adam respond already, right? Ifra sudah respon ke belum? Macam tak nak. Ifra okay. Akid ada, okay. Kalau Eka got respond not? Side really, okay. Nandini is not in. Patricia got respond? Patricia punya nama tak? How many times everybody got respond, Patricia macam mana? Patricia boleh faham? Patricia ada lagi tak, Patricia? No, I'm Patricia. Can you respond? I didn't see your thumbs. Okay, you didn't show a response about the FL. Sudah terkeluar ke, Patricia? Okay, so fix to 5. Okay, from 0 to 5 to value. Okay, to evaluate yourself. Where are you? From 0 to 5. Are you confident? Or you think that you still need help? Okay, 1 is still need help lah. Okay, 2 need more practice. 3 almost there. 4 I got it. Okay, so give me your numbers. Okay. Okay, so already finished the whole chapter 4. Okay, so today is our last class before the Raya, and I will see you all back on Monday. The first class or still online class. Monday, which is 17th of May. Okay, right now. Okay, please mark your date. You're back to school or you back to online class on 17th. You only have 1 week holiday. Okay, don't relax until the whole month. Thought that you are 5 weeks at home, so 5 weeks is a holiday for you. No, so today exercise ask you to do these 4 questions lah. Page next line and okay, I stop sharing already. Okay, wait. Okay, please take down the questions before end the class today. Then I want to wish a Selamat Hari Raya for all the students, the Muslim students, and happy holiday to the non-Muslim. Okay, please use the 1 week time to rest. Okay, to finish up all your homework. Still some of you already still like owe me exercise, the last PDPR exercise, will return the exercise to all of you, right? So please complete all the exercise that you miss out. Okay, you have 1 week time. Don't mention that cikgu saya tak sempat. Cikgu tahu nak raya. Okay, so raya pun raya kat rumah kan, ataupun dekat-dekat aja kan. So get pandai-pandai uruskan masa untuk kamu punya holiday. Okay, I see you on 17. I will share the link before the class. Okay, thank you very much. Bye, everyone. Happy holiday.
Thank you, teacher. Bye. Have a good day.
Okay, proceed for your next class. Okay, on 12:30. Okay, bye.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher.
Bye, Ifra.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kesha. Happy holidays, Abin. Okay, bye-bye, Peli, Alia. Okay, so take care, everyone. Shadia still there or not, Shadia?